Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla u Konrad ke sangma ula ai khuble ka kanhu ni le kai football ka Jylla ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Halor ka Jingla bani le kai bahana ka benta bawan ha ka kerdan ka balai ha ka second Indo French ka balakut Dangshen ha Paris France. Ya kani ula penpau ha ka jingpen ko Burom ka balalong ha ka pratrik uya yong arhajar apusan ha conference hall ka bahas sekretariat ha ka ba layadon lang u director ka tenat ilekai u Didi Shira u president ka Meghalaya Football Association u ba Hamletson Doling u sekretari u ba Sunesh Sim bat kiwe u menteri Rangba u loong ba kani ka kenhon kalapen I ya ka jing tibit ka jingkot jingmut bat ka jingla ya lekai bha ha ka te ka lempong ya lekai bat u loong ba kalong ka jing ngau sarong ban mi khmat ya kari India sha Paris Shushu ulapan benaru bana kalyang ka Sorkar Jylla kala ai jingkershan ha kani ka jingya linti ya kani ka kenhon da ka ba kala pelut sanpho laktingka na ka benta ka let kawan ka jongki ulapan tibru ba ka Olympic Loyanis Academy kabalong kawai na kislem ai jingele kai football ha Europe kala khot kerpang ya ka kenhon ni le kai under 18 ka Jylla na ka benta ka jinglet ka ba arphosni bansha hikai ha kate ka slem ai jing hikai ba pau na France how jilio menta usnem arhajar arphusan.
Please come forward. Benshai lang el nongat. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Konsat. Sander Ravindra. Frankie DeCarl. Bantebor Onjo. Alistair Tankir. Vanangsan Longklang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.